Hello, ATD Core team. Kim and I are in the process of preparing for our meeting scheduled for tomorrow, the 13th of November, at 1 o'clock in room A15. You'll find attached this email several documents that will be helpful as you get ready for that meeting. The first one is the main thing that we're going to be talking about tomorrow, which is the Capacity Cafe 1 and 2 summary. And so we'll spend time at our meeting tomorrow really kind of starting to dig into that information and pull out things that were surprising, things that were not surprising, and begin to identify our areas of focus as we begin to move in the direction of identifying our research agenda. So that's the primary focus of the meeting tomorrow. Now, you'll also find attached to this information about equity. You'll find a PowerPoint presentation about what equity is. You'll find information from an institution, Center for Urban something, I can't remember, CUEQ. Two pieces of information from them that help us kind of dig into the deep part of what equity is. Those resources actually came from the ATD Connect website. If you haven't had a chance to get on there yet, remember you do have access. You go ahead and go to www.achievingthedream.org and you get on there, and in the top right hand corner will be a button that says ATD Connect. And you click on that and you log in using your Nashville State email address, and the password is ATD Connect. It is not a problem sharing that information in this capacity because you have to have your own personal NSCC email. And that's a generic password for everyone. So there's lots of information there. If you've not had a chance to get on there and explore, I suggest that you do that, and that's where some of these resources have come from. This last thing that's on there is it says Achieving the Dream equity statement, and that comes directly from Achieving the Dream. It's their statement on what equity is, and it's this statement that we're going to be using as our sort of jumping off point to develop our own statement from Nashville State. At the bottom of it, then you'll find a series of questions, and if you'll be thinking about those, and if you won't be able to attend the second meeting, which we don't have a date for yet, but we'll be getting back to you about, then go ahead and just type in your comments and send those back, or come to the meeting prepared to talk about those questions that are at the bottom of that page. So that's our plan really tomorrow, is to dig in deep on the Capacity Cafe results and then begin to plan for our discussion about equity, which will begin in meeting 2. If you have any questions, reach out to Kim, reach out to me, and otherwise we both look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.